Hello. So I want to create a video to basically go over the usability of the DOE's Global Energy Storage Database. It's been very useful to me. I've played a large role in helping expand it, and it's got enough data at the moment to basically fully represent, in my opinion, a large portion of the energy storage market. So to get the data, just simply go to the basic search page for energystorage.org/projects, click the export to Excel. You should get project list that looks similar to this. Basically what you should do is you should start off in the corner, control down left, and you should have a filter. Just make sure you click this filter. That will make these arrows pop up. What these arrows are going to let you do is they're going to let you sort the data very easily. For example, let's say that I work for ABB. We do a lot of power electronics. Where are my systems according to the DOE database? Now you can either go in here and look at individual ones, or it is usually better if you actually search for the company name in here, because sometimes you'll have companies like right down here where it's kind of wouldn't have been included if you had just included ABB. So here you can find that these are all the projects that you're involved in. This is the project name, the technology, and yeah, it basically gives you a lot of good information. So we can undo that. And one of the other things that I find very useful on this is it also lets you basically create a pivot chart that is beautiful in terms of being able to demonstrate the size of the industry for different areas. So for example, let's say you want to do technology type category. It's just a bit cleaner than technology type in terms of the data. I want to know what the rated power is for each of the technologies. That would be located right here, and it kind of basically tells you everything you want to know for each of these sums. However, let's say I only want stuff that's installed. Right, so let's go to status, which should be available right here. We'll filter it, go to status. I only want stuff that is operational. Alright, so that's stuff that's installed. Alright, so there you go for that. Let's say, alright, I don't really want to have anything that is pumped hydro because it takes up way too much of the database, and I'm not interested in that technology. Alright, so we can go to filter, technology type, everything except for pumped hydro, and then let's look at probably these technologies by country. So it lets you kind of look at each of these by the country besides pumped hydro, so you can kind of take a look at who's where and what's what, and if you wanted to, you can even sort this, I think, to largest to highest, and then it kind of gives you a better idea of the order of things and kind of where all the countries are represented. So that's just a really good thing that you can use in your presentations. You can also do this in a similar manner to break it up for different technologies and go forward from there. So I really encourage you to play around with the pivot table. This has been designed to be very helpful and very adaptable to that. And yeah, that's